Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title guys Oppo phone guys, how to fix touch vibration problem on Oppo mobile. Friends, you have your touch vibration problem guys when you tap on your phone button, and when you use your Oppo mobile keyboard your phone vibrate. So now how to fix touch vibration problem on Oppo mobile, one by one, step by step friends. We will talk about guys how to fix touch vibration problem on Oppo mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click here Oppo mobile sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, you can see phone vibrate setting, phone volume settings, do not disturb setting, ringtone settings. So friends, click here more sound and haptic setting. After more sound and haptic friends, you can see system sound and vibration setting, dial pad sound you can on and off from here, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, delete sound, touch sound. So when the last vibrate on touch setting is on, so you will have to turn off, you will have to disable your vibrate on touch setting, and guess your problem will solved. Hence you can tap on your screen, you can tap on your button, you can use guys your Oppo mobile keyboard without any touch vibrate problem. So friends, you have your touch vibrate problem. So friends, you can fix touch vibrate problem and you can solve your touch vibration problem. Friends, again click here phone setting, sound vibration setting, haptic sound setting. Friends, you want to use vibrate on touch setting, so guys click here vibrate on touch. Friends, if you touch on your phone button, and friends if you touch your phone keyboard, if you use keyboard, your phone will vibrate again. So friends, off your vibrate on touch setting, problem solved. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix touch vibration problem on Oppo mobile. So bye friends.